Okay, so I just got home and I found this waiting at the door. And it's about time for the unboxing. Bought this from Speed Showcase, as you can see here. Packaging, really well done. Top. Alright, let's get to it. So, how is their packaging? They wrapped the model in a bunch of brown paper. Nice. Adequate to fill up all the empty spaces. Here's the actual model, covered in bubble wrap. Waited for this for a while. This is the orange one. It is rather rare now. Bought this from them for a nice price of $208. Shipped. Retail price is $204. You can find this all over eBay for $250 or at least $200. So get to unboxing this. Speed Showcase did a good job of packaging it, so good job there. I would absolutely buy from them again. They were very good at responding to all of my questions. Little Autoart brochure. Tell me about the car. Very nice. Here's the certificate of authenticity. Have number 1510. Not the number too high. Good round number. Let's get to the model itself. Ooh, that looks nice. Really want to take it out of its box. Please wait 1 second while I do that. I did notice that they didn't include the little magnifying glass and cloth that come with other Autoart signature models. And the box is not a kind of mattish color, it's actually glossy black. Very nice though. Alright, let's get to it. That looks very nice. The orange is so striking. Looks kind of pink in this camera from what I can see, but so nice. Try to come out with a review in a few weeks. Get time to get used to the car. Great car, by the way. Alright, so don't forget to like, share, favorite every other page that is related to us. And also please visit speedshowcase.com. They might still have some of the white Aventadors there for really good prices. Might want to snap those up, and I'd be happy to deal with them again. They are a great seller, great packaging, fast shipping. I would suggest them to anyone. Alright, see you.